Hit like, press subscribe, and tap the bell icon, because the Market Man brings you the financial truth the world needs to hear. In 2025, the real currency returns: gold and silver. In a world where digital charts rise and fall like storms, where screens glow with numbers that change in the blink of an eye, one truth stands stronger than ever: real currency never dies. As 2025 reshapes the global economy, the Market Man steps forward with his boldest prediction yet: a return to the foundation of true wealth: gold and silver. Across nations, inflation continues to climb. Currencies weaken day by day. People pay more and receive less. And while the world becomes more digital systems become more fragile: cyber attacks, unstable cryptocurrencies, sudden regulatory changes, all remind us that the financial world built on code can disappear with a single glitch. Investors everywhere are losing trust, not in the future, but in the systems meant to protect them. Banks once believed to be unbreakable now struggle to maintain stability. Markets move like unpredictable oceans. Governments print more money to solve old problems, but create new ones in return. And so, as uncertainty grows, global attention begins to shift, back toward the most powerful and ancient forms of money mankind has ever known: gold and silver, not just metals, not just commodities, but symbols of strength, history, and survival. For thousands of years, gold has been the heartbeat of empires. Silver has been the currency of kingdoms. In every crisis, from wars to collapses, from recessions to revolutions, these metals have stood firm while everything else crumbled. In every market crash, they rise with dignity. In every inflation wave, they protect value. And in every era of economic chaos, they remain the quiet guardians of wealth. The Market Man warns that 2025 will mark a great financial shift, a year when businesses, individuals, and even governments begin to seek real assets, the kind you can hold, store, and trust. This is more than investment strategy. This is a global awakening. As digital currencies face volatility, as central banks approach their limits, as geopolitical tensions spread across continents, gold and silver rise like a shield, a protection against the storms unfolding across the world. In boardrooms, investors are quietly increasing their metal holdings. In households, families are turning savings into silver and gold coins. And on the global stage, nations are strengthening their reserves, preparing for a future where real assets determine real power. Gold and silver are becoming the backbone of modern portfolios, not because of trend or fashion, but because of truth. They stand beyond politics, beyond borders, beyond the digital world. They exist in the physical reality, where true wealth always survives. Today, we explore the reasons behind this monumental shift. Why these metals continue to be trusted through every century. Why they outperform paper money in times of crisis. Why investors call them the last line of financial defense. This is the Market Man's financial message for the world. Real currency will outlast every storm. Protect your future with gold and silver. In a world of uncertainty, choose the assets that have never failed humanity. The world is changing, and knowledge is your greatest asset. Subscribe to the Market Man, tap like, and stay prepared for what's coming next.